The last step is sealing the closure and gel block. To do so, verify that the rubber gasket in the bottom half of the closure is clean and seated in the groove. Be sure the U-shaped gasket, which sometimes is dislodged during installation, is in its correct position. Place the top half of the closure body onto the bottom half, making sure that the latches are properly aligned. The latches on the top half of the closure should still be in their correct position. If the latches are not in their correct position, reposition before placing on bottom half of the closure. With the top and bottom halves of the closure in place, use a 1/2 inch nut driver to tighten the bolts at each end of the closure. In no particular order, fasten all latches around the outside of the closure. Do so by placing a finger on the bottom hook of the latch, making sure it is in place. Then, insert a flat blade screwdriver into the slot of each latch and pull the screwdriver forward. Go back to the bolts and make sure they are tight. To seal the cables, twist the tail of each gel block. You can use a screwdriver or similar device placed through the hole in the tail to make it easier to turn. Turn the tail clockwise until it hits the built-in stop. It's important to note, you can place multiple cables into a port. However, this requires a special kit to ensure proper seating of all the cables in the port. A pressure test can be performed on the closure to test for leaks. First, pressurize the closure to no more than 5 pounds per square inch. Perform the check by thoroughly soaping all the seals and cables to check for seal integrity. Once the check is completed, release the pressure from the closure through the valve.